All right, hey, Josh here with Attica Lumber, and I want to talk about this pavilion that we built here for a commercial customer. And this was actually, we built two of them. In the past, we built some, obviously some light commercial buildings and also a fertilizer building, if memory serves me right. But on this pavilion, actually we're getting it set up for gutter. But there's one thing I want to point out here. Obviously you can see the concrete pad, but this is going to be actually for their workers that are out there working hard, an opportunity when they're off the soccer field to congregate here. But I want to show you one thing here, and we're not done with this, but the gutters are going to be installed here. But I want to show you one thing, one little tip. This is not earth shattering or anything like that, but as you can see right here, ceiling underneath. You've probably been to some of these county fairs and you see these pavilions that are open. And I tell you, the risks that you assume when you do that is obviously wind. Wind can be a nightmare. If wind gets under this pavilion, obviously it could rock and roll it. Obviously this is Ohio, obviously a lot of wind, but you're in the Midwest, any place. But I can only imagine if you're Kansas, Oklahoma, any place where there's high wind, you know, your building's not gonna be around. It's unfortunate. So we put this white liner panel ceiling underneath this pavilion. So fairly simple here, 6x6 post. Did put obviously some braces right here, up there as well to keep the pavilion from racking as well. It's a little added feature there to keep this more sturdy, tied in. But that's my tip there. So you can see the concrete turned out pretty good as well. So the ceiling up right here, for those of you that are knocking out a pavilion, yeah, you want to put the liner panel on. So more information, visit atticalumber.com, or you can call one of our friendly associates and we'll be more than happy to talk to you about different projects.